Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to enable Google Assistant to access your other accounts. So let's dive right in. Open the Google app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the Google app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. Then in the drop-down menu on the new page, you will look for the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a drop-down menu will also open where you will look for the Google Assistant option and click on it. And then the app will open a new page where you will scroll down to the Accounts option in the drop-down menu and click on it. Here, as you can see your other accounts, as always, it is up to you which of these accounts you want to enable. You just need to select it and click on it. The application will open a small window where I will explain in detail what will happen if you enable the account. If you still want to stick to your decision, then simply click on the Continue option. After enabling access, test it by asking Google Assistant to check your emails, schedule a meeting, or play music with connected services. And that's it. Now your Google Assistant is connected to your other accounts, which makes it even more powerful and practical. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.